Goodbye. Tingling hands and weak legs. 8. Collagen-rich fruits. You must eat after 60. Did you know that after the age of 60, your body loses over 50% of its natural collagen, the very protein that keeps your joints strong, skin firm, and nerves healthy? That's why so many seniors suddenly experience tingling hands, stiff knees, weak legs, and sagging skin. But what if I told you the solution isn't expensive supplements or painful injections? It could be as simple as adding the right fruits to your daily diet. As we age, many of us think numb hands, cracking joints, or muscle weakness are just part of getting old. But that's not true. Most of these problems are caused by collagen loss, a protein that acts like glue for your bones, skin, muscles, and nerves. Without enough collagen, legs feel weak and shaky, hands fall asleep or tingle at night, knees crack while walking, skin becomes thin and bruises easily, hair stops growing and becomes brittle. And sadly, most seniors don't even know they are collagen deficient. But here's the good news. In this video, I'll reveal 8 powerful fruits that naturally boost collagen, repair your joints, strengthen muscles, and improve nerve function. These aren't rare or expensive. You can find most of them in your local market. Stick with me till the end because the last fruit is more powerful than collagen powder. Fruit number 1, kiwi, the tiny powerhouse. Kiwi contains more vitamin C than oranges, and vitamin C is essential for collagen production. Just 1 kiwi a day can tighten your skin, strengthen your veins, and speed up healing in tissues. Also, great for constipation and immunity. But wait, the next fruit is even juicier, literally. Fruit number 2, guava, nature's collagen booster. Guava is one of the richest sources of vitamin C and lycopene, which helps repair damaged cartilage and tendons. Regular guava consumption improves grip strength, prevents knee pain, reduces joint inflammation. Try eating half a guava in the morning with a pinch of black salt. Coming up, a fruit that works like natural pain relief. Fruit number 3, berries, especially blueberries and strawberries. These colorful berries are high in antioxidants and anthocyanins, which protect existing collagen and prevent joint aging. They can improve blood flow, helping reduce high numbness in fingers and toes. Blend them into bowls, smoothies, or oatmeal. But don't miss the next one. It's a true miracle worker. Fruit 4, papaya, collagen. Digestion combo. Papaya contains enzymes like papaya that improve protein absorption, meaning your body can use collagen more effectively. It also soothes nerve pain, especially in sciatica and lower back stiffness. Have papaya before breakfast for best results. Still watching? Good, because the next fruit is a leg strengthener. Fruit number 5, avocado, good fats for strong joints. Avocado is high in healthy fats and vitamin E that may lubricate stiff joints and protect collagen from breakdown. It also prevents leg cramps by balancing potassium levels. Mash it on toast or add it to salads. But the next one, you probably never thought of it as a healing fruit. Fruit number 6, figs, Anjeer, calcium and collagen combo. Figs are packed with calcium and magnesium that not only strengthen bones, but stimulate collagen formation in ligaments and muscles. Perfect for foot pain, ankle weakness, and restless leg syndrome. Soak 2 dried figs overnight and eat in the morning. Wait till you hear fruit number 8. It beats collagen supplements. Fruit number 7, pomegranate, blood flow enhancer. Pomegranate is known as the fruit of longevity. Its polyphenols increase circulation to the hands and feet, reducing numbness and cold sensations. It also protects collagen from breaking down under inflammation. Drink a fresh pomegranate juice, not the packaged one. And now, the king of collagen-rich fruits. Fruit number 8. Indian gooseberry, Amla. Better than collagen pills. Amla contains 20 times more vitamin C than an orange. It supercharges collagen production, tightens sagging skin, strengthens hair roots, and energizes weak legs. It's also antiviral and detoxifying, keeping your liver clean, which helps your body absorb nutrients better. Eat it, raw, in chutney, or as amla candy. Let us quickly recap the 8 powerful collagen fruits you should add after 60. 1. Kiwi, fast collagen builder. 2. Guava, joint repair specialist. 3. Berries, protect nerves and improve blood flow. 4. Papaya, helps digestion and tissue healing. 5. Avocado, lubricates stiff joints. 6. Figs, Anjeer, strong bones, plus collagen combo. 7. Pomegranate, boosts circulation. Amla, ultimate collagen powerhouse. Start with just 1 or 2 daily, and slowly build up. Within weeks, you'll notice better grip strength, stronger legs, glowing skin, and less pain. Remember, aging is natural, but suffering is optional. Your body can still rebuild itself at any age. All it needs is the right fuel. If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It encourages us to make more content for you. Subscribe now, because in the next video I'll share the best morning drink to rebuild cartilage naturally. And tell me in the comments, which of these fruits will you start eating first?